So here's an update on the peppers that I planted. If you're following along on my videos, I showed you how I plant these seeds after getting them germinated, and I start them in these cups, and now's the time that they need fertilizer for the first time. So these seeds and any kind of mix that you're using does not need any fertilizer until you see the first true leaves coming out of the top, middle. So these leaves on the outside are called the cotyledon leaves, and those leaves will eventually die off, so don't be afraid if they start turning purple or brown or they wilt off. They're supposed to do that. So when you see the first set of true leaves coming out of the middle, that's when you need some kind of fertilizer for the first time. So I'll be using some of this Maxi Grow fertilizer. It says it's for general hydroponics, but it's going to give these plants a little boost before I put them outside. I'm not actually putting these outside, it's just because it's winter here, and it would never be ready in time. So this is just for demonstration purposes, but there's nothing wrong with using a synthetic fertilizer for your plants inside. It's not going to hurt anything. It's not going to be harmful to you or the plant. You do have to follow the directions. So on this bag, I'm using a quarter teaspoon. Follow the directions on your bag, but then cut it down to a quarter strength for this first feeding when the plants are small like this. So I mix it into water and just mix it up. It'll dissolve pretty quick. Just lukewarm water. You don't want to use water that's shockingly cold to the plant or shockingly too hot to the plant. So just lukewarm water. You can set it out for a day if you're worried about the chlorine in the water or anything before you feed your plants. But just get that dissolved. And then I always bottom water my plants. So just pour this into the bottom of your tray. About, depending on how many plants you have in here, how much it'll soak up, but it'll soak up into the bottom of the plants, and you'll see that the tops all get wet, and then any excess water that you have in the tray, you can just discard. Okay, and then back under the lights. Keep your lights close to the plant so they don't get leggy. I'll have more updates as these things grow. Thanks.